Hey there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I'm giving you a super healthy alternative to whipped cream. Yep, there is an alternative to whipped cream. It's coconut cream. Let me tell you why coconut cream is so much better for you. It's so much better because it's loaded with so many more nutrients. And truthfully, I don't think any of us should be eating dairy. Milk is for baby cows, not for humans. And the manufacturers, they put all kinds of really bad antibiotics, hormones. Ugh, you don't want that stuff. You really, really don't. So what I've done is this is coconut cream. Coconut cream. I have a very favorite brand. It's called Cara, but I couldn't find it this time. It wasn't at Whole Foods, so I settled for a brand from Sprouts. This is coconut cream. Now the secret to this is you have to chill it. So this has been chilling in my refrigerator for about an hour. So it's really chilled. I poured it in my pan, and you want to do this in a metal pan if you have it. For some reason it just works better in a metal pan, and you can't do it in a blender. You have to do it with good old-fashioned beaters, like a handheld mixer, what we used to use, right? So let's mix this up, and I'm going to show you how it thickens. It is so awesome. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit of maple syrup, and let's go. Okay, the whipped cream is complete. I've been whipping it for about just 5 minutes. Sometimes you have to whip it a little bit longer depending on how chilled it is. But check this out. It is so thick and viscose. And the best part, so you can freeze it. So you can make a big batch of this and just have it available. Second thing is, oh my goodness, it's just thick and creamy. You know how regular whipped cream kind of goes flat? Well, this never does. It stays like this. So those milk solids, they can die. But coconut cream, nope. So you can make it a few days ahead and have it, you know, for eternity. Actually, it will last 2 to 3 weeks, about 2 weeks in your refrigerator and about a month and a half in your freezer. So enjoy this. Oh, and I wanted to show you, I always do it in a pan with high sides like this, a metal bowl, because it can fly out and get all over you, and you don't want that, right? So enjoy the whipped cream. It's delicious. It tastes just like dairy whipped cream. You will not know the difference. It's just so much better for you. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, 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 love your life. And more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself. See you soon. Bye-bye.